Hi guys, welcome back to Sreya and Swetha vlogs. Today we're going to do a different vlog. It is a travel vlog. Now we are in Swan Lake. We are going to tell all about Swan Lake in today's vlog. We started here from Dubai at 3:30. Now we enter the Sharjah-Kalba road. This road is entirely different from Dubai city. Here there are no big buildings. Now we can see the beautiful deserts. Now we can see lots of mountains. Now we reached Hatta. The greenery is started. Hatta is a beautiful hill station. Now the time is 5:30. It takes 2 hours to reach. We can see palm trees. The dates are hanging on it. Summer is the time the palm trees start to yield, but the official season extends right from June to October. Hatta is Dubai's mountainous little sister, an exclave of the emirate that sits on the border with Oman. It benefits from some fantastic natural scenery and a more laid-back pace of life than the UAE's big cities. We can see a lot of farmhouses in this beautiful place. Now we reach the Swan Lake. It is wonderful to see so many white, black and multicolored swans. Is Friday, so it is crowded. So we didn't explore the whole thing. We have one suggestion. If you want to explore this place, you should come at weekdays. of water brings cool breeze and fresh air. Feels amazing when we are standing near the water. We can't believe in this very hot summer the water is cold.
A 2-hour drive from Dubai, it is a good pick for a weekend escape and close enough for a mini-daycation. You all like this travel vlog.
We will share you more vlogs.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching.